Hello, I am Gian Tegar Marbun, and my student ID is 131120 152, and I am from Business 7C. I would like to open a small home service car wash and detailing business. The reason I want to start this business is because nowadays many people are very busy and don't really have time to bring their cars to the car wash. Sometimes they spend the whole day at work, or they only have free time on weekdays, and of course they would rather spend that time with their family instead of waiting in line at a car wash. If we can come directly to their house, it will not only save their time, but also give them more comfort and convenience. To start this business, I would prepare the basic tools. For example, I would use waterless cleaning product, which are more practical and also eco-friendly because they don't require too much water. I would also prepare professional detailing equipment such as microfiber cloths, vacuum cleaners, polishers, and wax. In addition, I plan to train a small team so that the quality of service is consistent. I believe that in this kind of business, the customer trust is very important. If the result is satisfying, customers are more likely to call us again and also recommend us to their friends. I choose this kind of business because I believe the demand is high, especially in big cities, where people are always busy and value convenience. Nowadays, people are willing to pay a little more if it saves their time and give more comfort. Also, I personally like cars and I enjoy keep them clean and shiny. So this business is not only about making money, but also about something I am passionate about. That is why I believe a home service car wash and detailing business would be a good choice for me. Okay, and then we go to the first question. Why do some people choose to start their own business? Okay, I think many people choose to start their own business because they want freedom and independence. When you run your own business, you don't always have to follow someone else's rules. You can make your own decision and set your own schedule. For some people, that sense of control is very important. Another reason is money. Many people believe they can earn more by building their own business compared to just working for a company. Of course, it takes time. But if the business grows successfully, the income can be much higher than a fixed salary. Besides that, passion also plays a big role. Some people want to turn their hobbies or personal interests into something more meaningful. For example, if someone loves cooking, they may open a restaurant. And if someone loves fashion, they may start a clothing brand. So when passion becomes a business, it gives extra motivation because they really enjoy what they are doing. Then we move to the second question. Do you think you have to be a risk taker to be successful in business? Of course, yes. I think being a risk taker is important in business. Starting a business always involves uncertainty. You never know for sure whether it will succeed or fail. If you are too afraid to take risks, you may never try new ideas, and you might stay small forever. Many successful entrepreneurs took risks at the beginning. Without that step, they would not have achieved growth. But I also believe the risk should be calculated. A good entrepreneur does not just jump in blindly. They make plans, they research the market, and they prepare backup strategies. For example, in my car wash idea, I will first test the service in a small area to see how many customers are interested before expanding to more places. That way, the risk is smaller, but the chance of success is still there. So in my opinion, yes, you must be willing to take risks, but smart risks. Risks that are prepared, managed, and balanced with good planning. Thank you.